Overnight into Monday morning, a band of showers and thunderstorms brought much needed showers for Nelson Mandela Bay and Gqeberha, and a few heavy downpours moved over Buffalo City that resulted in flooding in East London on a Monday morning. And then later, a band of severe thunderstorms started to move over northeastern South Africa, with also reports of flooding as well as large amounts of small hail in Johannesburg that almost looks like snow due to the large amounts of hail in the area. Reports of hail also moving eastwards into parts of Mpumalanga, and also the possibility of hail this evening over the bushvelds of Limpopo. But this is only the start of severe weather, so let's look at your Tuesday forecast. Starting with our accumulated rainfall model for 5 days up until Friday, it's clear to see we are still expecting lots of rain across South Africa in the shade of pink to red. More than 50 millimeters likely to accumulate parts of the Eastern Cape and northeastern South Africa. We are expecting disruptive rain and yet again the possibility of hail on Tuesday as well as Wednesday over the northeastern areas, and up until Friday in the spots of black, more than 80 millimeters and close to 100 millimeters likely to fall over parts of the Highveld as well as Limpopo and along the eastern escarpment in Limpopo. So that's why we do have a 60 to 80% chance of more showers and thunderstorms moving over northwest as well as Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga on Tuesday. Light showers likely in the Eastern Cape and a few isolated showers and thunderstorms expected in KwaZulu-Natal. The Weather Service yet again warning against the possibility of severe storms which could result in hail as well as gusting winds and heavy downpours, and the ground is extremely saturated, so localized flooding is also a risk. In the Western Cape, quickly heating up on a Tuesday with a high of 30 degrees in Worcester, 32 degrees in Robertson, a mainly sunny day with late a southwesterly wind blowing moderate to fresh, and temperatures in the mid-20s along the coast, sunny with 22 degrees in Mossel Bay as well as in Plettenberg Bay, and temperatures in the upper 20s for parts of the Karoo. And then we're expecting a few foggy patches in the Eastern Cape, cloudy at first. It's a few degrees warmer but still a cooler afternoon in Akua with only a high of 19 degrees. A few morning and light showers are likely over the northeastern areas, and onshore a southeasterly breeze is still pushing in some cloud and light showers for KwaZulu-Natal. Only a few isolated thunderstorms likely on Tuesday, and then we're expecting showers and thunderstorms to spread into Mpumalanga yet again on Tuesday, becoming scattered to widespread over the Highveld, where the Weather Service is warning against heavy downpours. And as mentioned, the ground is extremely saturated and the soil moisture is high, therefore localized flooding likely becoming stormy on Tuesday in parts of the bushveld. Yet again, hail possible and heavy downpours. Partly cloudy conditions, temperatures in the upper 20s with isolated thunderstorms expected over parts of northwest. Then moving to the Northern Cape, lots of sunshine over the western areas, and onshore southwesterly wind expected along the coast and soaring to 30 degrees in Upington, becoming partly cloudy and windy ahead of isolated thunderstorms expected over the eastern areas of the Free State, and more stormy weather on Tuesday for Gauteng, scattered to widespread thunderstorms in the forecast. The soil moisture is extremely high and hail yet again a possibility. Into Wednesday, more showers and thunderstorms over northeastern South Africa. Temperatures only expected in the mid-20s, and also a few thunderstorms reaching the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal on Thursday. More stormy conditions for the east, the wind picking up but hot in Cape Town, soaring to a high of 31 degrees. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.